Unlock the secret to winning big. Insider tips for sports betting success. In this chapter, we will explore some useful sports betting tips and tricks that can enhance your chances of winning. Firstly, it is essential to do thorough research on the teams or players involved in the game. Look into their recent performances, head-to-head records, and any other relevant statistics. This information will help you make informed decisions when placing your bets. Another valuable tip is to set a budget and stick to it. Determine how much money you are willing to spend on sports betting and avoid going over this limit. It's easy to get carried away in the excitement of gambling, but having a predetermined budget ensures responsible betting. Additionally, consider utilizing different betting strategies such as value betting or following the trends. Value betting involves finding odds that are higher than they should be based on your estimation of the outcome probability. On the other hand, following trends means observing patterns in results or specific teams' performances and using that information to predict future outcomes. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. Join 1000s who receive free daily betting tips from our team of professional tipsters with the link in the description.